471023. So on Interstate Highway 75, just south of the Clinch River. It's an asphalt concrete over granular base pavement on a long uphill drag.
Who's doing this? UT?
There's a view to the south. You can see we have more than adequate sight distance. We're in a cut area. And then to the north and uphill. Pavement marking was done here using thermoplastic paint and adhesive back numbers. Which is what the highway department personnel wanted to use, so we took advantage of it. As you can see, in the outside wheel path, or just inside the lane edge stripe, we have some cracking. I've called it low severity alligator cracking because it is starting to show that kind of a pattern. It is in the wheel path. Station 1. He had a little bit of a problem with his thermoplastic paint machine. The flame went out and it made a little rough marking on one there. The rest of them look a little better than that. You should note that in both the core holes we found groundwater seeping in through the base and asphalt base materials. Section's got about 10.5 or 11 inches of asphalt total on it. Pretty thick layer of crushed stone over a red clay, maybe with a little silt in it, but it's more of a clay material. Continuing on, you can see that the pavement's in pretty good shape except for that cracking in the outer wheel path. Just the slightest hint of rutting. Certainly less than a ½ inch of rutting. Here we are at 400 feet from the beginning. Incidentally, he's going out to get some more numbers like we used at the beginning. Should be back in a few minutes with those, put them down. Here we are at the end of the section. Once again, we got a thermoplastic 4-inch wide paint stripe. He's going to come in and put the number back in for me. There's our drilling crew. And a view back to the south down the hill. Pretty much completes the filming for this section 471023.